Listen to the Gooney bird. She's an out-of-tuney bird. You can always see her standing on one leg. Though she is a scrappy bird, she's an unhappy bird, 'cause she weighs 3 pounds and lays a 5-pound egg. I was feeling oh so merry till I passed a cemetery or a grave. A feller was a-crying.
Why did you die? Why did you die? Why did you die?
Is it your mother?
No, it ain't my mother.
Well then, is it your brother?
No, it's another.
Well then, please tell me who is the guy?
It's my wife's first husband. Why did you die?
Listen to the Gooney bird. What a crazy Gooney bird. Flying backwards all around and back again. Though she has a bird's eye view, never looks ahead, it's true. All she wants to see is where that she has been. Listen to the Gooney bird. She's a little puny bird. I sure hope she knows about that cow's of mine. Though she is a dizzy bird, she's gonna be a busy bird, 'cause she's a-settin' on a poison ivy vine.
Hey there, YouTube watchers! If you liked that video, be sure to click on that subscribe button and click on the bell to receive notifications. Also, be sure to follow us on Twitter and like us on Facebook by clicking the link in the description. We enjoy bringing entertainment to you guys, and we think that you are all terrific. Be sure to check out more of our videos.
Stella, you were great.
Aw, thanks, Larry.